If an adult is incapacitated or unable to make a sound decision about themselves, then a guardianship may be necessary. A guardian is an individual appointed by the court in order to make decisions on behalf of another person. A guardian can be a spouse or a relative, or it can be any person or a professional that is willing and able to act as a guardian. The court, acting in the best interest of the person who may be subject to guardianship, will appoint the person they deem best qualified. Some people may view a family member being appointed as a guardian versus a professional being appointed as a guardian as a private versus a public guardianship, but according to the court, they are viewed as the same thing. When appointed by the court, a guardian is granted specific authority to make decisions on behalf of another person. Powers can include deciding where the other person lives, taking care of their personal belongings, making medical or professional decisions on their behalf, or applying for government benefits. The powers are limited to what the court orders and will depend upon what the individual needs. The guardianship process can be complicated. If you have questions about a guardianship or are seeking a guardianship over an individual, it's always best to consult an attorney.